Hi, I'm Christina and I'll be walking you through how to add a caregiver on Zamplo. Friends and family often play a huge role in your healthcare journey. Instead of passing around a binder, invite a caregiver to contribute to your virtual binder. To begin, open the Zamplo app. From the dashboard, navigate to the top of the screen and click on Add Caregiver. Go ahead and enter the email of the person you would like to add. You can also customize the invitation message. If not, there is a preset message you can use. Once you are done, click Invite Caregiver. Now you can choose the type of permission you would like to grant your caregiver. You can grant full access, which means that your caregiver will be able to read and write in your journal. You can also choose to grant read-only access, which allows caregivers to only read new journals. Once you have selected the permission type, click Invite Caregiver again. There you go. You have now successfully sent out caregiver invitation. In your caregiver list, you can see which caregiver requests are pending and which ones have been connected. Once your caregiver accepts your invitation, they will be able to better support and empower you through your health journey.